Welcome to the Cheerwine Train Tunnel, where train travel has always been an important part of life in Rowan County. Whether going home for the holidays, delivering the daily mail, rebuilding the train at the Spencer Roundhouse, or stopped at a crossing returning home from a picnic, the train has always been a part of our daily lives.
The Central Carolina Bank Tunnel, where the old-time circus train is now unloading, and the Dingling Brothers Circus Troupe begins its daily practice. And remember to keep your hands inside the coach because the Hurley station is just around the bend. So listen for the conductor to signal when it's safe to unload. Then enjoy the rest of the day at the Dan Nicholas Park.